Hi guys, we are back. Bert from Yiannimize. Behind me we've got a Porsche 911 GT2 RS. Recently had a phone call from a customer. Bert, I've got a 911 Turbo S exclusive series and I've got a 2 RS. I want them to match. So best thing to do is let's match the exclusive series, get both cars together and show you guys what it looks like at the end.
So we're in the wash bay, the GT2 RS needs a wash. Eamon and Rio have gone out, so I've got to wash the car. It's been about a year and a half since we've done a wrap video, and it's been about a year and a half since I've washed the car. And ironically, it's on camera. That's sad.
This one's gonna be the trick. I've seen that on TV show, man. You said it's gonna be tricky, but you did it. If money isn't a problem.
Yeah, I'll probably take an SVJ.
Would you go SVJ or this one?
Yeah, only because I'll look gas at the SVJ.
Colour. The sick colour.
I'm black all the way, baby.
SVJ, yeah, you
I just want a black.
So just had to look around the car. The only thing is gonna give us problem is gonna be the wind, because I know that those fans doesn't come off. Second one is red. We have to hide all the red. Red is a very bright color and it's really hard to cover them. But guess what? I'm not here tomorrow, so good luck, Nico.
Okay, currently in the vinyl room. And this colour right here is for the Porsche GT2 RS. What Gina normally does is take one of these off Bert, just do a little check like this to make sure that this is the actual colour that the customer originally picked. That way, no mistakes are ever made.
Hi guys, so here you see we've got the Urus, what was in the PPF bay. We've got the Nero carbon rear diffuser, which me and Pav are about to stick on. A lot of work's gone into making these. All the original lugs are still there. The original parking sensors go back in, and even down to this little grille that's off the original. Just going to get the rear bump off the car, but we'll get back on this, get this slapped on, and we'll show you what it looks like. Rear bumper's now off, so I'm just going to put some tape here so we don't scratch it up. So the Lamborghini Urus behind me is now complete, provided they'll do that again. So Lamborghini Urus behind me is now complete. It has been supplied by our friends over at HR Rowing, Carbon PPF arches, but then we've added the Nero design rear diffuser and carbon inserts, so around the vehicle, front end. A couple of pinstripes that the customer requested as well. It's a brand new 21 plate, so it's going to be sat on his driveway until the 1st of March. Could you wait? I don't think I could.
So we're working on the GT2 RS. We'll take out rear quarter glasses. Now these are very thin. These are probably half the thickness of an original Porsche glass. Most companies wouldn't go to the extreme of taking the rear quarter glass out. Obviously here at Yiannimize we want the best finish possible, so we're going to take the glass out. It's nothing for us boys to take out. We get that vinyl right in. Well, Mark will, not me. But Mark will get it right in, and then the glass will get fitted back glass will then also hold the vinyl, create a nice seal as well, so it won't lift out from the windows like most other companies.
Oh, yes, Chris.
Yes, Chris. Well, Chris should have.
Just finished the Range Rover wrapped in a gloss rock grey. Also, we added a Concept 650, so if you like, check this out. Anyone comes up to the car, I'll give you a warning. We don't just wrap cars, we also do a lot of other things. But yeah, tell me what you think. I like it in this colour. But yeah, that's it for today. And check us out.
Chris stripped it.
And there's Chris.
Chris,
I stripped it.
you stripped it.
Yeah, I stripped it. I stripped this whole car.
What was it like putting it back together? Love.
No, ask Rio.
Yep.
Cut the vinyl.
You're mad if you want to cut it, yeah?
Yeah, that's good for the camera.
No pressure. For the age, yeah?
Go on, else. Go on, else.
Come on and give me that good, good love. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that good, good love. Give me that.
So GT2 RS is about to have its rear quarter laid. Can you actually tell what car this is behind that? Even though I just told you what it is. But you'd never know. One piece, we like to do things in one piece here, unless it's not possible. But yeah, this is gonna go rear quarter running all the way down to the front. And are you going into the shut as well? One piece?
One piece.
Any joints?
Nope.
Any joints?
Jointless.
Jointless, one piece. Watch it.
Come on and give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that good, good loving. Give me that. Give me that.
So I am with the GT2 RS again. As you can see, it's been put back together by Chris on the other side of the car. Generally, part of what I do is I come through every now and then on each one of the vehicles and just give it a quick update, or sorry, a quick check I should say, sorry, to make sure that the vinyl has gone down and stayed down correctly. So to give you a bit of an example of what I mean, what I look for when I check. So we've gone around the car and I've spotted just this little piece in here. So essentially what's happened when the door card has gone back on, the rubber has been caught just inside the door card. So it's not only check for vinyl imperfections, but also check for fit up. Not errors, but things that need to be rectified to make sure that they're absolutely perfect. To give you a bit more of an update, you've got stuff like this as well. So where that glass was out, what I would be checking for is to make sure that none of the vinyl on the inside here is creased up whilst we've reinstalled that piece of glass. So Chris is behind me, he's gonna jump in, get that rubber bit sorted. Should be just a case of pulling it back out and we're good.
Come on and give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that good, good loving.
So the Porsche GT2 RS is now complete. The customer is on his way. I'm going to take this outside. However, he's also coming in his Porsche 911 Turbo S exclusive series in the same colour. So one's going to be paint, one's wrapped. Let's see how close they look colour-wise. Anyway, let's get this outside and let's hear that cold start for the first time.
The GT2 RS is now outside, completed. Customer has kindly brought down his exclusive series so we can get a bit of a photo shoot with the two together. The colour match is almost perfect. You're never going to be identical to a paint code, but you can't get closer than this. We have gone to town with this 2RS. We've done the door shuts in one piece. So when customers come and looked at this, you couldn't even find the join line because there isn't one. So we're happy, he's happy. Two cars behind me, both exclusive cars from Porsche. What could be better?